Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy David Johnson 123 back. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy David Johnson 123 back at it again. Today gonna show you a little tutorial with your PC and Xbox 360. Okay, PC monitor. You could. Well, things you're gonna need is this. You know, y'all probably know this. Just hook it to the back to the PC monitor. PC monitor, have it right there. They have a PS4 hookup right there too. And then you got that great light though. But then you'll need this. This is cost $24 a one. $24 this little thing. For PS4, you're gonna need something else. It will be a little UBS port right there for a PS4. But Xbox 360, if you want sound, mostly if you buy it, open the package at Walmart like a Bluetooth 7 like I did, and check have that so you can put like a speaker and the aux cord, okay? Then obviously you're gonna need that. Plug it in. Plug the other side of this back into your PC monitor. As you see. Hold on. I'm gonna freaking laptop. I can't do it right. But you see right there? You can cord for the power. That. And then just plug this in there. Then you take your Xbox. This is called a VGA to HDMI cord. Please. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, it says HDMI to VGA adapter right here. Belkin, okay? You will need this thing too. You have to use. Have this. You gonna plug it in to the back of your Xbox 360 Slim. If you know what Slim is this version, not the white one that has like a freaking like a bigger button. This one has a sensor on it. This is the Slim one, the newest version of the Xbox 360. The newer version, not newest. Plug it in. HDMI. Right there. Well, this is HDMI. That's a little thing plug in. You can screw it, but I don't screw mine because mine don't work because it's freaking stupid. But what you gonna do is freaking just plug it, turn your Xbox around, 360s around, plug it in. I already had my thing on. I had it on before I started video, but I was already making a video just that was for connect fell from the Xbox. I already made a video before this video, but I missed the press escape in my output, so I stopped. But see, as you can see, it has power on. It works fine. I have a Dell monitor. Okay? For your sound, I like it for the sound, cause I have my freaking big box speaker that you can probably purchase at your local Family Dollar General, or just buy a regular speaker with that aux cord on it, right? Aux cord piece, like, and this also is Bluetooth. Plug it in. Then you're going to plug it into a little piece that I showed you on the VGA adapter. A little hole in it, like I said, the aux thing, for it to make sound. You don't know what I'm talking about again? I unplug it. Mom, I'm making a video right quick. Hold up. Yeah, hold up, Mom. I'll tell you in a second. Alright, so you have this right here. This is the HDMI cord right piece right here. This is the aux cord. Here. Just plug it in there. Okay? Now you're going to plug this back into your Xbox 360. I will show you when I plug it up. See, my PC is on rest mode. That means orange. Monitor is rest mode. Now I plug it into the back of my Xbox 360 Slim. This is my DVD player. You know what that is. This is my PS4. And yeah, that's my stuff. Anyways, plug it into the Xbox 360. And as you can see, it powers on. Cut my buttons off a little bit. And I cannot control my volume on the speaker, so you can't get a speaker that has a control for me. I'd rather you get that than one that doesn't. And then when you hear it, as you can probably hear, Hold up. You can hear me like just swiping through it. If you can't hear that, try to turn it up a little bit. Swiping through my dashboard. Oh snap! My computer's out. As you could hear me, just swiping through the dashboard. Right? Then I'm gonna put all my stuff back. Like so. Right? Like so. And then that's it. That's all you gotta do. Just buy that for Walmart. It's like $24. Man, that's kinda high. You can order one like eBay or Amazon for like $10 though. Xbox 360 controller. My thing is going dead. I can try the battery back. I'm just that display. It's a second screen. I do have another screen for my PS4. It's a 30-inch Emerson screen. And that's the PC monitor. Yeah, my controller's going dead, so yeah, this junk is completely dead. The controller's dead. Charge it. Oh, there you go. But you already saw it move, right? So that's how you do it, tutorial, right? Like and subscribe. If you're new, like and subscribe, bro. Okay, guys. So that can be ending my video right there. And the thing is called the name of it will be in the title and in the description and stuff. The sound, like I said, you have to get the one that have a speaker. Like I have an audio port and a little thing right there. And that's all. So, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.